In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest and buy SP500 stocks on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So for this, we will be using the new xStocks. Those are basically digital tokens on the blockchain that will represent the real price of the real stock on the market. So as you can see right here, we can find companies like Tesla, Nvidia. We also have ETFs, Microsoft, and much more. So this way we will be able to buy ETFs through Kraken. So all you need to do is go to buy, then right here just search for SP500. You can do this one or you can do the Vanguard option. The market is closed right now, but just search for SP500. I'm going to choose this one, for example, and just select how many stocks you want to buy. So for example, let's say we want to buy 0.1 stocks of this option right here. We're just gonna select a payment method. You can choose credit card or you can deposit cash directly on your Kraken account. So if you deposit cash, depending on the currency you're using, you might have to do a bank transfer. So after you have done that, you just need to review your order and complete it. So this way you will instantly have your xStock of SP500 directly on your wallet. Then whenever you want, you can just sell it by clicking the sell button and select how many dollars or how many euros or whatever your currency is you want to get. So you can instantly sell it as well and get fiat, which you can withdraw directly on your bank account by clicking right here. So that's it. That's how you can buy SP500 on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.